Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Make sure your iPhone 14 runs a compatible iOS and has at least 20% battery so settings save reliably. Open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. That's where Always On Display lives. Once there, check Focus Schedules and Lock Screen Widgets because they can re-enable or mask the change. Tap Always On and prepare to toggle it off. This first action stops persistent screen updates and reduces battery draw. Move on once you see the Always On option displayed clearly on screen. Now disable Always On directly. Toggle Always On to off in Display and Brightness. If your lock screen has custom widgets or a wallpaper schedule, remove or set them to static because those can trigger the display to wake. After toggling, press the side button to lock the phone, then wait and unlock to confirm it stays off. Make sure to restart the iPhone once. A reboot forces configuration files to update and prevents the setting from reverting when certain background processes run. Finish by testing. Lock the iPhone and observe for 30 seconds to ensure the screen remains dark. If Always On persists, update to the latest iOS and if needed, reset display settings to default. This clears corrupted preferences. One effective troubleshooting step is a force restart. Hold volume up, volume down, then side button, then reapply the Always On toggle. If problems continue, check for profiles or management that enforce AOD. Remove them or contact support to lift enforced policies so your change sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.